This ABC 15 Flash Briefing is sponsored by Sanderson Ford. Straight up.
Hi, I'm Mixoletti here with your afternoon update from ABC15 Arizona. Here are Friday's coronavirus numbers. The Department of Health Services reporting more than 9,000 new cases this morning. There are also an additional 185 deaths. This brings our total number of lives lost now to more than 11,000. State health officials announcing a second state-run vaccine pod will open next month. State health officials announcing that vaccine pod is going to open at the Phoenix Municipal Stadium. The state also expanding the age group of those eligible to 65 and older. However, several counties, including Maricopa and Pinal, do not have the supplies yet.
We are not going to be able to open up and expand to other groups until that vaccine opens up in supply.
So far, Maricopa County has provided more than 105,000 vaccines. Senator Mark Kelly touring a hospital in Tucson, calling on more federal help. He wants more money to help staff and better equip hospitals, and he also talked about small businesses needing assistance.
We've got to make sure that they have opportunities to go back to these jobs. Restaurants, hotels, the travel industry are really struggling right now. It looks like we're going to have to provide additional help to get us through the first 6 months of this year. And then I think beyond that, as we vaccinate more Americans, we'll be in better shape at the latter part of 2021.
He's also calling on states to impose mask mandates to suppress the spread. Looking for something to do? Head to downtown Mesa and enjoy a great meal while social distancing. The city teaming up with Downtown Mesa Association to create an extended patio dining area that allows you to order from any restaurant and then have a place to sit down outside. They have closed off a portion of McDonald Street near Main Street to provide an area with seating and cleaning supplies like hand sanitizer and wipes. It'll be open every day through April. Some grocery stores are promising that their workers will get cash if they get vaccinated. Instacart says it'll give a $25 stipend to any worker who gets the COVID shot. Trader Joe's plans to pay employees for 2 hours of work for each dose of the vaccine they get. Dollar General will give 4 hours of pay up front. The CDC has recommended that grocery workers be in phase 2 of the vaccine rollout. Emergency rooms across the country are under pressure as the pandemic continues. According to the COVID Tracking Project, the majority of states are experiencing record numbers of hospitalizations, and we're seeing it right here in Arizona. This affects all departments, including emergency rooms. Also, experts in emergency medicine tell us hospitals don't just have a higher number of patients, but emergency calls haven't stopped, and they're also seeing more visits from people who believe that they have COVID or need testing. With the strain on ER and staff, it's advised that we think about whether we really should go to the hospital or if it's better to be seen somewhere else.
Things that an urgent care can handle can be things like a sprained ankle or a sprained wrist or a pulled muscle or even a cut or a laceration or something to that effect.
Well, another rule of thumb is you can see yourself going home after your visit, then it's better to go to an urgent care. There are cases where you should definitely go to an emergency room. That includes feeling short of breath, having chest pain, or feeling like you're having a stroke. Our state's largest school district updating its plans for students. On Tuesday, the majority of Mesa Public Schools will be back to 5-day modified in-person learning. However, 7 schools will remain remote throughout the rest of this month, while 4 schools will be 2-day modified in-person learning. The district reporting more than 250 active cases. The majority of these are students. Now to an update on a story we did last week with our We're Open series. The Phoenix Tiki Bar Undertow announcing a new location. It's heading to Gilbert. The Nautical Cocktail Bar will open at the epicenter at Agritopia next year. The bar is designed to look like a 19th century ship as it sails around the world. A pop-up version of the bar just opened at the Hotel Valley Ho this week.
Time now for that most accurate forecast. I'm meteorologist Iris Hermosillo. It's going to be even warmer today with highs in the 50s to 60s across northern Arizona and mostly sunny skies. Here in the valley, we're looking for highs in the mid to upper 70s. That'll be the case in western Arizona too, with highs reaching the 80s today again in Yuma. For Phoenix Sky Harbor, 76 for a high today, about 4 degrees warmer than it was yesterday. Look for sunny skies, dry conditions today, and dry conditions through the weekend too. In fact, tomorrow could get another degree warmer, up to 77 degrees, then down to 75 on Sunday. low 70s Monday before we see another storm system move in that's going to bring us some rain and snow chances finally. In the meantime, high pressure in control these next couple of days, and then temperatures begin to trend down just slightly, down to 75 again on Sunday, and then down to 73 on Monday. But that next storm begins moving in Tuesday. That's going to bump up those rain chances and increase wind speeds, with high temperatures dropping into the mid to upper 60s for most of next week.
Another update tonight. Until then, get the latest news, weather, and traffic at ABC15.com or by downloading our free ABC15 mobile app.
This ABC 15 Flash Briefing is sponsored by Sanderson Ford. Straight up.